Looking for some fun, engaging phonics activities to do at home with your child? Then I have few of them to share it with you in this video today. Before getting into that, this is Lavina. I am a phonics and a grammar trainer. I post a lot of videos about phonics, grammars, and a lot of activities that you can do with your child at home using simple things. If you want to learn phonics either as an adult or as a parent or a teacher, then you have come at the right place. Do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified about every video that comes out every week. Now come, let's see engaging phonics activities that we can do with our children or our child at home. In the first activity, you can just write a couple of words on a piece of paper that your child can read and write it randomly around on the paper. And then ask your child to draw accordingly. They will really have a lot of fun drawing and also coloring them. In the second activity, again take a piece of paper and write down all those letters that your child knows the sounds of. If your child is in the beginning level of phonics, like the very basic one where he or she doesn't know to read the words yet but they know the sounds, then you can actually tell them the sounds and they will be pointing that corresponding letter on that paper. And either a little difficult version or the higher version of this game would be that you can actually tell them the CDC words or 4-letter words that they can read, and they will try forming the spelling of those by pointing those respective letters and forming the spelling.
Hug. Ha. G. Hug. Cup. K. P. Cup.
For just making this whole activity fun, you can also try doing this on the floor, where you will be writing all the letters on the floor and ask your child to jump on that particular sound or to jump on those letters and form a particular word so that they can form a correct spelling. The next one would be the alphabet bingo. It is just similar to the previous one, but here you will have to just make something like a bingo on a piece of paper and ask your child to cross out whatever sounds you're saying. So suppose in case if you're saying the sounds, he or she will be crossing out the S. The next simple activity is my personal favorite. It is basically finding the word activity. I'm sure you would have played with your child and yourself as well in a lot of books. But trust me, it is very easy to make one. In fact, you can make one depending on the letters that your child is able to read, that your child knows the sounds of. So in case if your child has learned sounds of say only 9 letters, then you can only use those words in this activity. And it is very simple to make. The only thing that the child has to do is also find these letters, connect it and mark them. So it becomes very fun for them and engaging activity as well. The next simple activity is in case if you have these kind of alphabets at home or even similar kind of ABC alphabets at home in some form, then you can actually use them to revise the sounds as well as to frame a simple CDC or bigger words that your child is able to read and ask them to read. It can be very much fun. It can also be used in the reverse manner where you will actually tell them to form a word and they will be actually using the sounds and those particular alphabets to form a word and show it to you using these alphabets. The next activity is a very simple activity and can be used when your child is about to learn phonics, and basically it's in the initial stage of phonics where they have learned only a couple of sounds and yet not able to form certain words or read certain words. So it is a very simple thing, like making them run around the house to find out a certain thing that starts with a particular sound. So let's take an example. Go and find out something that starts with a sound S. So maybe your child can run and get soap, or maybe they can run and get some sweets and so on. In fact, if your child is alone at home, then you can also participate in it equally, and you can just tell them, then let's see who will find out something that starts with the sounds first. And then both of you run. It's really fun, and trust me, your child will enjoy your company the most. If you're looking for more such engaging content around phonics and around activities that you can do with your child or as a teacher or as a parent, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.